प्रणाम सर।
आपके पिताजी कैसे हैं?
जी अभी क्रिटिकल हैं लेकिन स्टेबल हैं। Now he's being treated by Smriti Mishra and his team, and he's on a ventilator right now, but he's stable right now. He's recovering slowly, but he's better right now.
Good. All of us are very concerned about you.
जी sir.
Please keep us informed about this death.
Sure sir. Thank you so much. जी sir. Thank you so much.
Nali. Johnny. Okay.